welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm gonna show you what are the stuff that I've just bought from Ikea. So these are all the things that we bought from Ikea. So I'm gonna dig through one by one. Okay, this one first. This is a handphone holder because it's so aesthetic. That's why we bought it, because we already have quite few of handphone holder, but I never have the wooden handphone holders yet. So I just decided to take it straight away. Alright. So it's so aesthetic. So that's why I like it so much. Okay. So and this one is an Ikea bowl. Ta-da! To buy for quite some time, so since I went to Ikea a few days before, so I decided to take straight away. So this is so nice, and if let's say I have any food serving after this, I can put and use the bowl using the wooden bowl. Right, this one is 5 ringgit, and this one, the wooden bowls, is 85 ringgit. Okay, so next one. And because Ikea right now, they don't actually give a plastic bag, so we have to buy this bag. So this bag is 1 ringgit and 9%. Okay, so ta-da! There's more here. And I bought some plants, small plants for our washrooms. This one, it's about 3 of these. And okay, so the price is this one around 6 ringgit, I think. 6 ringgit, if I'm not mistaken. 6 ringgit ish. Okay, so this one is 8 ringgit. I think there's a price. Oh, there's no price. This one is 8 ringgit. Okay, this is for the washroom, and this one I'm gonna put at my bedside table. Okay, because I already have the plants before, but it's been broke, so I'm gonna replace with this one. And I bought aluminum LED as well in Ikea. There's 2 here. So this is around, I think, 17 ringgit each. So altogether is 34 ringgit. So this one also can be used for this lamp. I bought this one, TV headlamp, and the design is like this. You see here. So the original bulb essentially is more bigger than this. Okay, but it costs around 70 ringgit. This lamp only 55 ringgit. So the lamp is more expensive than, the bulb is more expensive than the lamp. So we decided to take this one because it can fit anyway, because it's the same ring. So we took this one instead. Okay. Right. So next one, and I bought this. You know what is this? So stated here in small, but actually it's for the curtain wall decorations. We're gonna put this ball at the curtain rods. Okay, so there's no picture here. Okay, there's picture. So we're gonna put at the end of the curtain rod, placing they have a screw, and put it at the end of the curtain rod. So it's like this. So you see straight normal cotton rod like that. You can see at the end of the cotton rod is a crystal ball here. So it looks so nice. So moving on, there's some more here. There's some more. Okay, so this is Ikea blanket. Okay, this one is a throw blanket. It's only 30 ringgit, so we bought it to stick straight away because it looks so nice, aesthetic. I'm gonna put on top of the couch for a throw blanket. Okay, so after all, it's very cheap. And we have some more. This is the storage, like this. I've opened up one. So it's called Pakla. So this one, costs around 9 ringgit each. So we bought 6 of them. So altogether it's around 54 ringgit altogether, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so I need this more because I need to put a lot of Medina toys and soft toys inside because it's quite big, you know, the storage. So because you can, hang on, let me show you. Something inside so that you can see how big it is, right? From far it can be expanded. Okay, yes. So you can put it underneath the bed or somewhere else, or you can put a blanket inside or your comforter and put it inside your closet so that it looks more cleaner, right? Okay, so got 6 of these. Put it here. Over here. Put it over here. Alright, so this one, I bought this one. This is also for storage purpose. And this one, if you open up, is bigger than this. You can even put all your bags, or backpacks and everything inside here, like, as a cover, because it's really big, and the size here is 56 times to 67 centimeter. Okay, so it's worth it because it's so cheap. The price is 7 ringgit each, so we just got three first. And then I wanted to buy more, we can just, I think we're gonna buy straight away from the website. Right, so this is the storage, and we have some more. And this one, and this is the hanger. This is the bamboo hanger because it's so aesthetic. That's why I bought this. So it's 50 ringgit for this one set. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they have 5 inside, 5 hanger inside. So 15. So it costs around 3 ringgit each of the hanger. So I bought 3 of these. Okay. So because I wanted to hang my hijabs for this hanger, so easier for my hijab selection. So after all, it looks more aesthetic. I love it. Okay, and the last one, last but not least, I bought a jar. I can't remember how much is the jar, but it looks aesthetic and it matches with the bouquet. And I even have the cups that can match with the jars. So I have this one. Bought 6 of these parts so it can match with the jars. Right? Okay, so that's about it so far. All my stuff that I got from Ikea, and I'm gonna before I forgot that before I went to Ikea, I actually had a time drop by at one Turkish shops there, and they have a very good deal of discount. So I bought a wrap. I'm gonna show you here, and I bought a kaftan. And this is the wraps. So I'm gonna open up for you. Right, this is the Turkish wraps. So this is an abstract designs. So it can be used from both sides. This side and also this side. Darker gray, the other side, or I can choose this side. So it's up on me to use which side. So as for now, I'm more prefer using this side because it looks more prominent in contrast, right? Last but not least, the last one, I bought a Turkish kaftan. Okay, it's very a good deal. So it's a cotton linen. Okay, so this is the Turkish kaftan. So I'll open it and hang it on the hanger. I like the material. The material is so cooling, and it's a cotton linen material. Oops. Okay, so that's all. So hope you guys do like on this kind of video. If you want to see more of what I bought and unboxing, so do catch me again for next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, okay, see you